Hi everyone, welcome to Azul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that this is the reading for the month of December 2020. Okay, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, guys, in advance. Okay, so let's check it out. What are you going through? Okay, so I've changed a little bit of the style in December. Okay, so let me check it out. What's going on with you guys? Messages in the month of December 2020. Messages in the month of December 2020. Okay. Juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions, two directions. You're thinking to travel, Scorpio, somewhere. Okay, you're thinking to travel, you're thinking to communicate, you're thinking to explore. A lot of manipulative energies are around you, sneaky energies around you. You have a lot of guilt related to something. Okay, guilt related to the communication you have done, or the guilt related to the past. You have guilt related to something. Okay, you're thinking about harmonious things right now. You're thinking to compromise on something, compromising on a long-term commitment, I guess. Okay, some major disappointments are there. You're going through a lot of projections and realizations about yourself. Okay, which you have never done before. I think for the first time you're doing it for your sake. Okay, you are actually, you are being rebellious. You're trying to defend yourself. I don't know you're right or wrong, but if you're wrong, you should not defend yourself. You are just being rebellious. Okay, something is completing, something is coming into full circle, something is coming to shift, something is coming to change. So yeah, that's the important thing. Okay, changes are about to get to happen in the month of December. Okay, so yeah, you're thinking to third party situation, third party problem is there. Okay, you are actually, there is a third party situation in Scorpios. Okay, and you are thinking to rebuild something, but that building is not being going to build up. That's the problem. That building is shake up, that foundation is shake up. Juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions, two problems, two results. Okay, you're just being patient enough. You're doing a lot of hard work in building something actually, but that's not happening because I think the amount of hard work you do now, the amount of result you should get, you don't get it. Actually, there's a conflict going on between head and heart. You're confused about something in the month of December. At the same time, you are releasing the confusion, and I think, you're confused, but at the same time I'm telling you that your third eye chakra is opening because of this confusion, self deception, or problems, things going on around you. A lot of third eye chakra is opening towards you. You're releasing a lot of anxiety issues, tensions, problems, related to a third party situation. Third party can be a third lover, third party can be in-laws, third party can be anyone. Okay, so yeah, you are releasing the self independence energy. Like, you want to be independent, you want to be, a person, like, you need to take care of your self independent thing. Financially you want to be independent and you want to be very strong, but you are at the same time juggling, like, that's not happening, and that's why you are questioning yourself. Okay, there is a new beginning which has been blocked by the universe. You want something to start or to begin something which is not happening right now. Okay, you are thinking to move your pentacles, you are thinking to double your pentacles, but that energy has been blocked right now, and that's the problem, that's the blockage. Okay, you are definitely juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions, two connections, and related to your financial goals, money related stuff, whether to do this or that, which option you should choose. You are evaluating the pros and cons, and that's why there's a conflict going on between head and heart. Okay, and you are not loving yourself more. I feel that you need to love yourself a lot more than expected. Okay, Two people are coming together, or you're just thinking about it. You're not doing it energetically, but thinking about your person, I think, and you're not loving yourself much. There's definitely a third party situation going on into your personal life and into your professional life. You're just thinking to double your money related stuff, or your pentacles, your money. You're thinking about your stability, concerned about money. You are stuck when it comes to certain situations in life, spiritual things. Okay, so yeah, a lot of clarity you're gaining when it comes to a new beginning. New beginning is on the horizon, but it's not just yet came. It is will start from January 2021. That's the thing. Yes. Yes, you are releasing the fightings problems. You are moving away from some disappointing energy. There are some verbal fights, arguments, problems are going on outside you, okay? And you want to move away from those energies because you are feeling disappointed, problems, fights, tensions, okay? So, a lot of things are going on, and that's not really good. That's not really good. So, yeah, guys. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Yes, this was just a very short reading, to be honest. Oh my god. Nice. Okay, bye bye, guys.